Yes guys, David Osamoji back again with another video. Yes, you know I love to do these videos. I love to backtest trading strategy, and in my last video I introduced you guys to this very indicator. Okay, this very indicator by my friend Ryan. Yes, he made this indicator to trade the very popular Heikin Ashi candle with two moving average, which is the 30 exponential moving average and the 10 exponential moving average. Yes, so that was what he made these candles or this trade strategy to do. And while I was going through it, I noticed something very significant that I've not even discussed with Ryan about, and I'm going to be talking about it on this video. Definitely me and Ryan, we are going to talk more about this, but I just said it's fine I talk about it with you guys because you guys are also family. Yes, so this is Ryan indicator. As you can see, it's for the Heikin Ashi. So if you see, if I change it to the Heikin Ashi, this is the way it looks. Okay, this is exactly the way it looks. And if you people notice to your right, so sorry, to your left, you see I'm on the 1 minute chart. Now guys, this is the interesting thing about this script. Like I said, I don't know if Ryan is going to be selling it in the future or not. If he has plans, he has not told me about that, but he just said I should test it out on my channel, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to give you my true transparent thought about it. So like I said, I was using it, and most of you guys also, some, or just say, should I say, some negative people say this is not the true price. Yes, but people trade Heikin Ashi candles profitably. But then I was going through it because he was talking about making the indicator a versatile one, in the sense that I can, or we can also use it in binary trading for 25-30 minute expiring. And I decided to go through and check it out, and guys, the result has been amazing, trust me. As you can see, we are on the normal chart. As you can see, based on the code, we have 2 or more than 4 moving average on the chart. But the strange and wonderful thing about this is it is quite profitable on binary with my test so far. So me and Ryan, we're going to be testing it, and if it's good for binary, then why not trade binary? We will definitely trade binary. But man, this is quite interesting, trust me guys, this is interesting, and you guys need to test this out when it's out. Okay, just looking at the chart, we had about 1, 2, 3, 4 trade, 5 on gold, and so far I think this one won. This is currently winning, which is going to end in a winner, I'm sure about that. This one did not win. Yes, if you see, it won for 10 minutes. If we count the candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it won for 15 minutes but did not win for 25 minutes, which I was looking at it for. So we won the first 2, we lost this, and also lost this. But then you have to lose some trade. So we lost 3 trade and 1, 2 on gold. This is gold. You don't expect to be trading gold on binary, neither do you want to be trading gold on US max. You don't want to be doing that, all right? But still, we were able to win this one, which gave us a 3-3, okay, 4-3 or 33-4, all right, 5-3-5. Okay, you can see we broke even on this one just with those 2 trade, and then see what happened with the normal currency pairs. All right, lost just this one, then we won. You can see we won this. We currently have this trade, which I'm going to enter right about now. I'm going to enter that trade. Okay, I'm going to be entering that trade, which is Euro Chef. I'm going to be entering this trade for 25 minutes. I'm going to be entering this trade for 25 minutes. I'll just find currency UCHF. Okay, so I'm just going to be entering UCHF for 25 minutes. All right, for 25 minutes, I'm just going to enter that trade. I'm currently in that trade right about now for 25 minutes, and I'm going to see what happens at the end of 25 minutes. All right, so you can see how profitable it has been so far. Yes, it has been UCAD sell also, so I'm going to enter UCAD sell. Maybe in my next video I'm going to give you the results. All right, just going to give you the results in my next video while I take this once. All right, so you can see how these candles have been profitable. I'm going to show Ryan is going to like this, is going to be happy with this. That is indicator is doing well also on binary. We are going to go on from there, just testing it out more to see. Okay, this is another trade, but this is NAS 100. We don't have that on binary. We're going to be testing to see more of these trades. All right, okay, so we have one on GU, so let's add that GU sell. All right, so we have GU sell, so we are going to add that to sell on GU. So let's see if we have on GJ. Do we have? Not yet. Do we have on G card? Nothing on G card. So you can see, we actually have on G card. We actually have on G card. Let's see. Yes, we have on G card. So we'll take that too. You see how many trade I can pick up just on this one alone. So you can see I'll be testing it more. It's not out yet, but I'll be testing it more. And I love to test this strategy to show you guys so that you guys can see for yourself if it's going to be profitable for you. So I'm going to be testing these strategies out. All right, I'm going to be testing these strategies out and be giving you what you need to know. All right, the information you need to know. We're going to be testing it more on binary because I know some of you want to test binary. You guys have always asked me, why don't I have a strategy for binary? So I'm going to be testing this out. Okay, this is another trade for E card. All right, another trade for E card. So I'm just going to find E card and add E card to the list. All right, so you will not be able to see me now, but I'm currently taking these trades. I'm taking all these trades and seeing how profitable they are going to be. On my next video, I'm going to give you the results. Okay, I'm going to give you the results as I take them. The ones I don't take are the ones currently not available on binary.com, so I'm not taking those trades. But the remaining, I took them, so I took about 5 trades. I'm going to give you the result. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys to notice that something is really cooking and you guys are going to enjoy it, trust me. And I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys are excited about it too. So with that said, I'm glad you guys watched the end. Just keep yourself noted. Make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss out when we are fully tested, and I'll give you the full information on how to get the script. It's going to be available on TradingView, so please make sure you stick around. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I will always give you guys information, and I'll see you on the next one. David Osamoje.